All right, for this problem, I got a bunch of junk in parentheses here. And basically, you're like, hey, I'm a trinomial. I got 3 terms. And then you got this guy over here, and he's like, hey, I'm a trinomial too. I got 3 terms also. But you can only add the like terms from one trinomial to like terms with the other. So when I look at the trinomial in the red parentheses, the first term is for a z cubed. So I go over to the blue and I'm looking for another z cubed. I don't see any of them. There is no other z cubed. So the 4z cubed is still just 4z cubed. He cannot hook up with anybody. So then I move to the next term, and the next term is a positive 9z squared. So I go over to the blue parentheses and I look for any z squareds over there, and lo and behold, I have some. I've got negative 3z squareds. So I'm going to combine my positive 9 and my negative 3, and a positive 9 and a negative 3 would leave me with a positive 6z squared. So I just put that plus sign there. And then the last term in the red parentheses is a minus z to the first power. The first power is really invisible. So I'll go over to the other set of parentheses and I look for another z to the first power, and I have this one. Well, on this one, a negative 1 and a positive 1, if you combine those, negative 1 and positive 1, that actually gives you 0 z's. But 0 times 0 is just a 0. So it's really not there. I don't need to, 0 times anything is 0. So it's really gone. I don't need this at all. And then the very last term in the blue set is a plus 7. Well, there's no constant in the first set, in the red set, to combine with the 7. So the 7's just hanging out here by itself. Also, it's a positive 7. So there's my answer. 4z cubed plus 6z squared plus 7. So I am now going to jump over to Mobius. I'm going to click on this and I'm going to start typing. Well, actually, since I've got exponents, I am going to use, I can see I've got that sigma symbol. Click on that and it gives me options. Yep, here we go, for typing in my answer algebraically. So I'm going to click on the box and go 4. Let's see, as I recall, if I want to do a z cubed, I have to hit this first and say a to the b, and then the a, where the a is, it's kind of highlighted in blue. Just hit the z and then scroll up to the b, and I'm going to have to delete it and put a 3 in there. Then use your arrow button to scroll down. And then my next term was a plus 6, and it was z squared. So click on the a to the b, a to the b. Oopsie. Somehow I got my there we go. My cursor moved on me. There you go. A to the b, a to the b, z, delete, squared, scroll over, and then it was 0z, so I don't need that, and then just type in the plus 7 and hit the how to do button. And how did I do? Do I get green? Yay, I got green. That's how you do it.